Boise, Idaho. A federal judge is weighing whether a lawsuit against Buhl Police Chief Jeremy Engbaum and the city of Buhl will proceed to trial following a hearing on Tuesday. The case stems from a December 2023 incident in which then Buhl resident Eli Johnson was arrested in his home after being pulled over for a misdemeanor speeding violation. Johnson's attorneys allege that Engbaum violated his constitutional rights by entering the home without a warrant and using a stun gun during the arrest. Attorneys for Engbaum and the city argue that Johnson became subject to arrest after engaging with officers at his door, and that the interaction took place in a legally permissible manner. Both Johnson and Engbaum were not present at the Boise hearing, and the judge did not issue a ruling on the city's request for summary judgment. Court filings and body camera footage reviewed in the case offer differing interpretations of the events. Johnson's legal team argues that the arrest was unlawful, noting that Engbaum initially told officers to obtain a warrant and that no exigent circumstances justified entering the home. Engbaum's attorney maintains that Johnson's decision to speak with officers at his front door placed him in a public setting and that the arrest followed proper procedure. Johnson was charged with multiple offenses following the arrest, but all charges were later dismissed. The judge is expected to issue a written decision on whether the lawsuit will be dismissed or proceed to trial. Here's the full video. If you want such new videos, then please subscribe and like the channel.
So I stopped him for speeding, 41 and a 25. He pulls in right here. He's originally parked here. I get out to get my ticket book out of the back of the patrol car because it's in my patrol bag in the trunk. And he pulls up here, gets out of the car. I tell him, you're not free to leave. You're detained at this time. He proceeds to ignore me and proceeds inside the house. Requests my supervisor, said that I'm not detained. You have no way to prove that I was speeding. And enters the house against my order.
Is this his house?
Yes.
Okay. Secure it and go get a search warrant. I guess. Because it's infraction, right? Some of the guys just an infraction on him. Yeah.
He said he would talk to you, but he's not going to talk to me. I have his ID in the car.
It's who?
Elijah is his first name.
You want to talk to me?
Yeah. Well, he said that he wanted my supervisor. I said my chief is on his way.
He said there was no way to monitor
that
his speed with officers.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
He is committed in your presence. What's his name again?
Elijah.
Hey, is Elijah here?
Yes.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? You want to take him in custody?
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
She's wanting to cooperate, and
Elijah, come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue this citation, so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to court, or I'll take you to jail right now for obstructing delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't need to go out there for him to issue a citation, so there's no further...
Yeah, you do. You need to stand there next to your vehicle because he told you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue citation. So please go there, wait by your vehicle, so that way he can issue citation.
That makes no sense. I have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue citation, or I'm going to place you
So
under
you're
arrest.
going to come on my
Or
property?
you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. He's trying to issue a citation.
There is
Okay,
no
if you feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply it, you can take it up with the courts, but I need you to go buy your vehicle so he can give you the citation and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding ticket. Okay,
It's
so...
a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would determine speed? What is your guys'
that is something you're going to have to take up with the
determining
judge. You can
speed?
fight that part with the
Okay,
court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out here. This is my home. You're going to sit here and try to do a speed
Okay.
trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private.
You're right now. You're about ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer
Okay.
and call the city attorney, and then we will
Well, just
discuss.
come out here and have your.
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish
Go ahead,
this.
call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out
Now,
of my door.
but you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor. Stand right here so you can issue the citation.
The sheriff's department.
Sheriff's department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call
So-
the attorney.
Okay. This is not necessary over a speeding ticket.
You
Okay.
yeah, I know, exactly. What are you saying that for?
So-
Of course, this isn't necessary.
Okay.
Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay. So come on out here so we can issue
No, I will
citation. Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're gonna come out here so he can issue the citation.
Not this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses
Okay.
to deal
Well, you
with
have a
guys.
county deputy here, so you have two options. Like I said.
No, that one's very crooked.
Okay.
No.
Well,
That guy.
step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
that's not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not.
I don't have that.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my house. Get the out.
Come into our house.
Open the door. You're
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm gonna tase you.
Daddy.
Open the
Daddy.
door, or you're gonna get tased.
Open the door.
No.
Open the door.
No, you cannot
Open
take my
the door.
husband.
He's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You are
Open
not
the door,
Daddy.
or you're gonna get tased.
I don't I don't have their number. It said.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get tased.
Individual was placed under arrest.
Open the door,
further
or you're gonna get tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call?
No, you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help me push the door.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
He's not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! I'm not in here!
Get off of me.
I'm not in
Taser,
here!
taser!
No! 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 I'm not in here!
On the ground. On the ground. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased
Stop,
again.
Daddy! Stop! Help! Help! Help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Help! Obi, help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Oh my God! This is not necessary! Help!
Dispatch
You
1500
see this?
Taser Paul, Pastor Paul.
Hello? This is not necessary. Daddy, this is not necessary. This is not-
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna roll you up and sit you on your.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it?
Touch me. Get off of me. I will.
Dispatch Buhl 1500. You can go ahead and send meds in.